ugly sweater kit that we will be trying out today. All right, let's open it up and see what we got inside. Right off the bat, we got the ugly sweater cutter. That's a small bag of Rice Krispie treats. A small bag of marshmallows. All right, here we go. This is the stuff we want to see. Got all of our yummy looking sprinkles in this bag. Two kit frosting powder thingies. And 2 piping bags. All right, let's see what this box is about. Ooh. Now let's read these instructions. Adult, hand wash cutters with warm soapy water and dry thoroughly. Good thing I'm an adult to do this stuff. It says 2 piping. Oh, we got a 3 for 2 deal. They gave us an extra piping bag. Wow, I feel like I got my money back already. Pour Rice Krispies cereal into large bowl. Scissors, kids at home, make sure that your parents use scissors. Pour the Rice Krispies in. Step number 2, over low heat, melt butter in a large saucepan, add mini marshmallows, and continue to heat, stirring constantly. Until marshmallows are completely melted, add Rice Krispie cereal, stir well to coat, and remove from heat. Mixture will be warm, transfer to a large bowl, and allow mixture to stand for a few minutes to make shaping easier. I just forgot everything I just said. It smells like farts over here. Well, it's not this pan, it's the beans cooking in the crock pot. All right, pour your butter in. Limited time only. Get your butters fresh out of the cow's udder. Freshly squeezed. Call 1-800-525-UTTER-ME, please. All right, next add in your mini marshmallows, it says. Wait, this isn't enough butter. Look at that. Looks like cheese, but it's not. So this came out a little gross because the butter made it a little bit brown because I accidentally burnt the butter. Smells like chemicals. Let's hope this doesn't kill me. If it does, then you guys won't be seeing another video. I mixed this and there's still a lot of Rice Krispie treats that are loose and they aren't sticking to the marshmallow because there's not enough marshmallow to the Rice Krispie like ratio. That's the one. Let's just go ahead and put it on the cutting board. Press it down nice and good and firm. Come on, little sucker. Just like that. Pop it out. It looks like a bell. That's what it looks like. Does that look like a sweater to you? No. That one's a little bit crusty. Let's cut out one more. All right, I'm not even gonna mess with this because my hands already hurt and I think I'm getting cuts. Beat your 8 tablespoons of room temperature butter in a bowl with your hand mixer, or if you want to use your arm strength, you can go ahead and do that. Alrighty, I got my old mixer here. I'm gonna attach my Visco Girl. Wow, is that really how they sound? Whisks. Wow. It looks nice and creamy. It says to add 2 cups of your finest bougie powdered sugar. I'm gonna add that in. One day, I'm gonna hurt myself with these. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. I'm afraid to mix this. Because you know what? It's gonna go everywhere. Oh, it's not so bad. I think we broke it. 2 tablespoons of milk. And I am using my whole milk 100% that came from the juiciness of the cow's udder. I'm not using that 2% or fat-free milk because that stuff is like water and we do not want to disappoint the cows. 1. Ooh. Now let's give this a good mix. Evenly distribute, it says into 2 separate bowls. All right, get your 2 little packets that your box came with. Ooh, this one's got green. Pour that right in. shake it a little bit. Twist the top to make the frosting go. I got one sweater here. I'm gonna start decorating. These are the ugliest things I have ever seen in my life. Which I guess like that would be good because they're an ugly sweater kit. This box, I'm sure that it was supposed to make a lot more. It says it makes 6. So I only made half of them because the other portion was dry. This kit definitely needed a lot more marshmallows in it. But yeah, this is how they came out. I had a bunch of sprinkles and frosting left over, as you can see, even though I used a bunch on my sweater Rice Krispie treat thingies, and it kind of looks gross, so I'm gonna give them a taste test now. Here it goes. If I die, goodbye. Oh, it's not bad. It tastes like Rice Krispie treats. It actually tastes really good. I think that this would be a fun thing to try with your family. Now I have to clean up this whole mess. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe down below. That way I can keep making these videos for you guys. And anyways, have a good day.